Are we live? Hi.
Yeah.
It's Greg from...
Hello, Gregory. What happened to your arm?
What's this little injury? Just healing, icing. Yeah.
I'm here too.
This is Garrick.
Hey. We just finished a workout.
Garrick from Spain, not Mexico.
España. We finished the workout. We're going to do a little car review, a little drive in the 458 Italia Ferrari.
Heard of it before? Have you heard of it?
Have you heard of it? There she
Ferrari?
is. There she is. It's red interior. 2015, so naturally aspirated V8 here.
How many ponies?
How many ponies? I don't know. I would assume 458 or thereabouts.
Okay.
Carbon
Is that why it's called
ceramics.
458?
Yeah.
All right.
Got the red interior. Very classy. Fun fact, one of our customers about a week ago tried to take it on a racetrack without us knowing.
Yeah, but we found out because we have a GPS device.
Very brave. I would never be able to rent somebody else's car and take it to a racetrack.
Yeah.
And then go look at that person and be like, yeah, it was fun. I had fun with it.
The audio recorder's in the center console.
Thanks, Tom. What happened to this?
It's a cover, so I need to replace it.
Oh, okay. Oh, they get damaged? Okay, Tom. Bye, Tom.
Usually there's a key. I don't have a key. It's not our car.
Tom, you have a key? Anyways, air conditioning. You have auto. It's for the transmission.
Let's look how much sweat Garrick's established in his workout. Like, look at that.
It's an accomplishment.
It's
not even 9 a.m. yet.
Which one's got more? Garrick does.
Yeah.
The fucking panda.
Panda.
Panda riding some ponies right now.
We didn't know pandas sweat, but we do. We do
In
sweat.
case anyone wonders what this white stuff is, it's not cocaine. It's chalk.
Just took a cocaine bath. All right, wait. You didn't get to show them how to turn it on.
Here we go.
All right.
This is the key.
Key.
This is a horse.
Ponies.
Pony. His name's Enzo. Okay. We put him in back in the ignition, and we flip the switch. You always start in race mode. One thing you always gotta do.
Put your foot on the brake.
Put your foot on the brake. There we go. Apply the brake, and this little button here says engine start. Enzo's all over the place. Enzo's right here. Enzo's over here. We got lots of Enzos. Enzo's in the back of the seats.
So you see how it says hold P right there? That means it's in park.
Yeah.
There's actually no drive or anything like that. So all you would do is you'd put your foot on the brake. In this case, we're going in reverse.
Reverse.
You hit reverse, and it changes that
And
to
you
say
got
reverse.
sirens going off everywhere.
So
what mostly happens, let me say one thing, is when I'm in reverse and I put it in auto, I don't really slow to a complete stop and put it in auto, and I just think it's an auto, and I hit the gas, and I'm still in reverse. Happens to me all the
Hold
time.
on, let's put the roof down.
Let me just back up first.
Backing up.
Fucking basketball net smashed into the ground right behind me.
So this is the windows are in the middle, and then this is the roof here. You just hold it down. She settles in nice and
get a nice ball cap tan.
nice little. Oh, oh.
Hello.
So you have automatic. This is for the transmission. So if you want to go into manual mode, you'd hit that auto, and then the auto would disappear from below the gear indicator.
That's where Enzo tells you to go into race mode again.
Reverse. This is PS. Do you know what that means?
Do I know what that means?
Yeah.
No.
How much money did you pay for this car?
I don't think that's anyone's business.
A couple $100 and you don't know what that button does?
I can guess. What
does it do? Oh, don't touch it.
Why?
Because it's a launch mode. It's launch
There you go.
control.
See, it's launch mode. I'm not gonna
Why?
launch it right now.
I want to launch.
Who wants to launch it out of a fucking industrial area, parking lot?
So you have your lifter right here. We'll use it right now.
Use it right now. So lift the front end up.
Front end lifting up.
Okay. So don't scrape the car, which a lot of supercars do.
Not
so
this
lifts
one.
right back up, and then it goes right back down. You can see the little button here. You can see that little deal. There she is. Wow.
Very
There we
fashionable.
go. July 16th, Thursday.
All right, so
one day from Nacho Friday. Just saying.
hazards, windows, roof, windows. This is to open your little
Open sesame.
little glove box.
Yeah, this car's not built for Bluetooth. If you want a sound system, a nice drive and stereo, this is not the car. If you want a race car, this is the car.
This is the car.
Is there an Enzo behind my head?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah,
With a little
Enzo's right there.
tablet. So this is actually lock and unlock up here. So if you're in the car trying to figure out how to unlock it, there's nothing on the door. The windows are in the middle, which is unique, but cool.
Yeah, everything's a little unique.
You have your modes here. We have the bottom is wet, obviously wet.
This is the brakes.
Oh,
The brakes works.
Then you have
High
sport
performance.
mode, race mode,
We're in race mode.
CT off,
Listen to
which
this.
is like traction control.
That's a 30-mile-an-hour zone, folks.
Beautiful.
We're gonna be cautious.
And then
Cautious and careful.
this is electronic stability control off, so you can hold it there.
What does that
Windshield
do?
wipers.
Explain to them what it does. Why would you want to turn that off?
Well, you'd want to turn that off if you want no electronic vehicle interference. So if you have the traction control off and the electronic stability control off, you're not going to have any.
Sorry, go ahead.
You're not going to have any electronic interference in the vehicle. So if it were to slide or you were to spin tires, it's just going to let it happen.
What happens if you eat a little Panda Express while you're driving? What happens then?
Nothing.
You want to have that. You want to have that control.
You want to have that on.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, because you can slide around. It's a very controllable car, but there's nothing behind it. So you just have your paddle shifters. You have up and down.
Best paddle shifters in the league.
They don't move with the wheel. Little
Yeah.
shift light indicator,
This
and
thing
the
lights up.
blinkers.
It's just the beauty.
Blinkers are here, and the horn is here,
If you like cars, where's the horn?
right here.
Where's the horn? If
I
you
don't
guys
think
like
anybody-
cars, if you like driving fast cars, like a real race car, nothing compares to this, folks. Nothing. Nothing.
I would agree with that. It is just so balanced and beautiful.
There's so many nice cars out there. Don't get me wrong, but this is just Italian made, and I'm Italian, so it's like driving a little piece of myself. It would be really funny if I smashed it on camera. Really fun.
That would not be funny.
be a
We've
lot
had
of
so
views.
many accidents. My dad, when I was talking to him yesterday, he said, well, tell Greg I joined the club. He said, I know Chris tried to get in, but he didn't come in with a bang like we did.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he said, I think we're all pretty good for the next couple of years.
I had a boar commit suicide in front of me. 400-pound boar just jumped right in front of my Rolls Royce.
I never even got to see the Rolls Royce. I was so excited to see it.
Oh,
He was
that's
telling me how comfortable it was, how nice it was. Next thing I know, this pig just destroyed my dreams. Well, luckily, the good thing about that Rolls was even though it hit that pig, you were okay.
No, it's
If you
just-
would have been in like this car,
Just this thing right here. Just a little memory I have.
you would have been disintegrated if you were in this car.
Yeah.
There's a police officer.
If I was in the G-Wagon, I would
Police
have
officer right there.
If I was in the G-Wagon, I wouldn't have noticed it.
He was on his cell phone.
It was 7 gears, and it's the last year of the natural aspirated engine, right?
Yeah, now
It makes it more valuable. It's more valuable than it was when I bought it.
Now they're twin turbo V8s, the 488. So it's, I don't know, not bad. Ford Mustang. Ferrari red Ford Mustang.
This thing is an absolute machine. Does that look legal?
Yeah,
That's a little overweight.
Just like me.
Scraping against the ground.
Let's
Look
tell.
at that thing. Look at a little view of that. Look at that truck, dude. Back bumper's scraping. How does that look right?
It doesn't. He's got to get that trailer. They're going camping. Let's tell the people what we changed in our life this week.
Sleep?
Yeah. Sleep. For those of you that don't get 8 hours of sleep, you need to.
I was that guy that said sleep with your dad 3-4 hours a night, and then listen to this podcast.
We'll put the link below.
Yeah, open the link below.
You need to watch it.
You gotta watch it, man. It's life changing. If you want to live a longer life, sleep 8 hours a night. If you want to die sooner, don't sleep out 8 hours a night.
Or get dementia. insane.
I watch my mother get dementia, and I see myself 3-4 hours a night over the last 2 years, 3 years, working my ass off. You should see short-term memory loss, and being able to get moody and cranky, and it's always like on edge. Last 4 nights, 5 nights, and that's 7 to 8.5 hours, 6.5 to 8.5 hours a night, and completely different feeling. So I highly recommend sleep. Routine. Don't eat before bed. Don't get on TV or your phones the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half hour before you go to sleep. Just chill. Bison Burger Avenue. It's always a highway I want to absolutely just fly on.
It's so smooth. We're on the 73 and it's just smooth. It's a toll road. Should get off and go through the tunnel just to hear it on video.
Well, we're gonna come back this way.
Yeah, but I don't know how to turn all this shit off. I don't know how to turn the video on.
We're gonna hear the tunnel right now.
Okay. You gotta slow down, downshift. We're gonna get a little sound.
Yeah, you got 2 back-to-back coming up here.
Okay. Get it right there, yeah. Wait for it.
Tell me where to go.
Go! Upshift. It's better than coffee. Almost as good as sex. Hopefully you guys can hear that. It sounds incredible.
What else to do? We haven't done one of these in a while.
We haven't. Last one we did was the Tesla.
What do we want to do next?
What do we? The R8?
2020 R8. Explain it.
2020 R8 V10, which the Audi R8 with the V10, the Lamborghini Huracan motor and chassis has been phenomenal. But 2020 they made some more tweaks, and it'll be here maybe tomorrow. Might be here tomorrow. So when it does get here, we'll do a little review. Brand new, fresh off the showroom floor. And it's insured. And then next month, sometime, maybe, who knows, the Corvette C8. We aren't that excited, but I feel like it might surprise us. We'll see. I've been seeing some videos of them. They look pretty futuristic, so.
Those doors open up normally?
Those doors open up normally, yeah.
Okay, we're here, the best view. The best view is coming up here.
There's Steven's car right there. Little electric vehicle. Nice little G. We never see the G-Waggons. It's on. We'll do a stock market update.
Okay. We'll do that today or tomorrow, and other than that, I think stay safe, folks, and stay tuned for the next episode with the 2020 R8
V10.
V10.
Black on black.
10 ponies. 10 Enzos.
It's got almost, what, 600
It
ponies?
does, actually, more than that.
600 horsepower, naturally aspirated V10.
604, 603. It's coming. It's coming for ya. Black on black coupe. Alright, let's wrap it up. We're at Pelican Hill.
Pelican Hill, going home. See you guys later.
This guy here.
Have a great day.
Tesla.
Have a fantastic day.
See you guys soon. Stay healthy, my friends. Stay thirsty.
COVID
Stay healthy.
free. Bye.